Guys, oh my god, today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look using all the stuff I bought from Beauty Hub Davao. If you don't know Beauty Hub Davao, it's my favorite makeup personal shopper. Sabi ka barato ang ilang prices, guys. I've been buying from them ever since I was in law school. And today, bongga akong haul. So let's start! For everything, guys, I have to apply my primer. So this one I got from Bobbi Brown. Guys, they're selling this for 1,200 pesos. When you buy them in the store, 1,600. So, ako na siyang gina-blend with my hand. Let's start with my base. My god, guys, I saved a lot of money for this. This is 1,450 lang from Beauty Hub. When I was about to buy this, guys, tag 2,700 pesos siya dito. I asked them, why are your products way cheaper? They told me, guys, they only buy during sale. Honestly, if you're into makeup, you would know Hourglass is the best. For my foundation, guys, oh my god, I finally bought this Dior Stick Foundation. This is in the shade 1.5N. They're selling this for 2,950 pesos lang. When I was inquiring about this, wala na lang jud ko ni dayon og palit, guys. Kay my god, tag 4,100 pesos siya. Over 1,300 gyapon ako na save, and I can attest to their authenticity, guys. I have been their avid buyer ever since I was in law school. Super viral ni siya nga foundation, guys. I now understand why. I mean, look at the finish, guys. Man, I love it! For my bronzer and my contour, bought this one from Patrick Ta. It's so nice, pero gamay ra ko na save, guys. Kaya tag 2,600 ni. Tapos ang iyang original price, I'm 2,700. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, pero feel na ko tama naman. Akong gisuwayan akong ilong. Alam kong di naman kailangan kasi ang ganda-ganda na ng nose ko. Maganda pa rin pag Latina yung atake. Oh my god, guys. Favorite ginako na makeup ang blush. Look at this! I bought this Hourglass Evil Eye blush palette. And guys, as in super dream, ginako siya. Magduha-duha dyan kong palit. Tag 6,600 magyud, guys. Pero, oh my god, kabalo mo, tagpila ra ni sa Beauty Hub Davao. Mahal gyapon siya, guys. It's 5,500. But if you're really into makeup, you would know na if you've already bought this, hindi na kailangan mo palit pa og any other blush in the world. Papakay siya, guys. May blush blindedness ako, pero wala akong pake. Gwapa na ako, guys, ay! Okay, guys, let's go to my eyes. I bought this Tarte Energy palette. My god, guys, I saved a lot of money from this. 3,000 when I bought it from Beauty Hub Davao. Tag 1,800 pesos na lang siya. By the way, guys, I bought these blushes from them also. It's from Morphe. Kalimot ko pilay price ani sa store. Pero when I bought this from them, tag 2,200. Ingano na siya kadaghan, guys. Guys, dili jud ko professional sa makeup, ha. I'm only doing kanang things nga feel na ko bagay sa kong face. Hindi po ni siya pang pageant level, guys. It's pang fresh-freshan lang in case ma first lady. Guys, I also bought this MAC eyebrow pencil. Di ba ako kabalo mangilay, guys?